see honey, oh, see the bird? Ayan, that's very poor. Poor bird. I pick it out from the mouth of the cat. So as you can see that he got fell down from my window. Oh, it's very poor bird. I think he got a little shock or a little heart attack. I think it will be get okay later and he will do fly. Very poor. So I pick it up from the mouth of the cat and I put here on the top of the house of my chicken, and now I get rest. I oh, very poor. The mouth is keeping open. You see? Oh, very poor bird. Ayun. I hope it will be okay later. So, thank you.